What's going on, YouTube family? Garrett back with another video. In today's video topic, I'm going to be going over 2 ways that you can grow your reselling business on Amazon. And the reason I'm making this video is because today I was thinking about, my journey selling on Amazon over the past probably 4 or 5 years, and just what really altered or hindered my growth potential. And that's what I want to talk about in this video today. So basically, getting started, those of you resellers might know this, especially you Amazon sellers. There's only so much time in a day, right? And there's only so much you can do by yourself in a day. So when I was starting my business for like the first 2 years, I just struggled I hit a ceiling, right? I couldn't grow anymore simply because I didn't have that much time left in the day to actually do stuff that was going to grow my business. Source more products, get more products sent into the Amazon FBA fulfillment centers, so on and so forth. So that was what really held my business back the first 2 years. I could have grown a lot faster than I did, but I kind of was stagnant for like a good year or two, just kind of going with the flow, doing what I had to do, just working day in, day out, and just hit that max capacity, right? And in this video, I want to really talk about the 2 things that I did personally that literally doubled my business pretty much almost instantly, right? And the first thing is hiring someone to prep products, right? You don't need to be prepping products yourself. If you've hit that ceiling, that's pretty much a minimum wage job, right? You're sitting there packaging labels, sticking labels on products, sending them off to Amazon. That's something you can have and pay someone else to do for you. And that's the first thing you guys can be doing, because when you guys could literally be out finding more products to flip on Amazon while someone's back or at your workstation, wherever it is. You can even drop it off at people's houses, your products, have them prep it and ship it to Amazon for you. So that's the first thing. It's gonna save you a bunch of time, right? Is one, eliminate the amount of time it takes you to prep products by just hiring someone part-time to start out with, and you can eventually move on into full-time, because trust me, you're going to need someone full-time to do that for you. Now, the second thing that you guys should instantly be doing, which is the ultimate thing to grow your business, is finding ways to source more inventory. If you're not buying more products, you're not going to be growing your business, right? So how can we do that, right? Well, first off, if you hire someone to prep products for you, that's going to free up a ton of hours in the week for you to go out and continue sourcing more products. So that's going to drive revenue right off the bat, is your ability to go out there and buy more products. Now, the second thing I recommend to you guys to think about is hire a virtual assistant to do online arbitrage for you, right? You can hire virtual assistants for very, very cheap, and you can have them working full-time running tactical arbitrage and just searching the internet to find you more products. Now, I was hesitant to do this at first, just simply because I was doing everything. I was purchasing products, retail arbitrage, I was prepping products, shipping them off to Amazon, I was vetting out wholesale suppliers, I was doing scans of wholesale supplier lists, I was doing online arbitrage, I was doing product research for private label. All the stuff that you can do on a computer, right? Running through software, searching for products, looking for new suppliers. You need to hire a virtual assistant to do that for you, because that's going to free up a ton of your time. And then therefore, you're going to have someone that can literally be working for you all day. You can have multiple virtual assistants, maybe have one dedicated to OA, have one looking for wholesale suppliers and going through wholesale supplier lists. There's just so much benefits you get from having a virtual assistant that can free up your time to focus on more profitable business tasks. You can start venturing out and doing different opportunities, and it just opens up and frees up a lot of your time, right? And with the virtual assistant thing too, if you want to do all online arbitrage only, you can literally have a virtual assistant, 2, 3, 4 of them searching for products all day long, and you can hire a prep center, especially in one of these states that don't have state sales tax, right? It's going to save you 8, 10, 12% in some states savings from purchasing these products online, having them shipped to a prep center in one of those states. They can prep the products for you and ship it out, and that's really the route that I've been taking. I haven't been making a lot of content because I've just been busy building out all this stuff inside of my own business. I want to move to where a majority of my stuff and work, hard daily tasks, is being done by virtual assistants. The product prep is being done by a prep center. I'm still going to do some retail arbitrage here locally, but for the most part, wholesale online arbitrage. I want that stuff sent to a prep center. They're going to handle all the dirty work, prepping, labeling, stickering, prepping, all that hard stuff, and shipping it out. So those are the 2 ways that you guys can literally implement now if you've hit that ceiling in your business, your reselling business. 1, you need to start finding ways to get more inventory into Amazon. How do you do that? You hire someone to prep your products, and you find ways to find more products, whether that's you spending the time you spend prepping products, going out and searching for more, hiring a virtual assistant to do online arbitrage for you. If you're new to the channel, my name's Garrett. I've been selling on Amazon and different e-commerce platforms for a long time now. So if you're interested in that type of content, consider subscribing to the channel. But other than that, guys, I'll see you on the next video.